It's been a difficult time for us all. Life has been disrupted and education has moved from the classroom to home. And here are only a few of the applications I found valuable for helping teach the children and keeping them entertained over the long periods of lockdown. Tuxedo Paint is a multi-platform raster graphics editor for ages 3 to 12 and older. Started in 2002 by Bill Kendrick. And to install in FreeBSD, you just simply pkg install Tuxedo Paint. There are some optional extras of Tuxedo Paint config, Tuxedo Paint fonts and Tuxedo Paint stamps, but you don't need them to enjoy this wonderful educational graphics program. TuxMath, or otherwise known as Tux of Math command, first appeared in 2001 and was created also by Bill Kendrick, the creator of Tuxedo Paint. It's a cross-platform arithmetic learning game. And you install by pkg install TuxMath. Using the KDE platform, kstars is a graphical astronomical simulator. It's cross-platform and is part of the KDE education program. And to install kstars, it's pkg install kstars. Logisim is an educational tool for designing and simulating digital logic circuits. It is cross-platform and development continues with the logisim Evolution release. And to install logisim is simply pkg install logisim. KTurtle is an educational program environment for Turtle graphics, which is based on Logo and has been part of the KDE project since KDE 3. To install KTurtle, it's pkg install KTurtle.